So we are looking at something different today. This is the TI-1250. This caught my eye in a thrift store a number of years ago, and I picked it up. It was introduced in 1975. In the early 1970s, pocket calculators started to become available, and by 1975 they were the price had reduced enough that they were actually affordable. So this came out and it was between $20 and $25, which was still a lot of money, but it was within the reach of a good number of students. It runs off of a 9-volt battery, goes in this compartment back here, and then there are some instructions on the various operations that it has, which aren't very many. It just has the 4 operations and then your memory functions, which I think was one of the big selling points of this calculator when it was introduced. So let's go ahead and turn it on, switch on a side, and you'll notice that it's angled for my viewing on the desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and just prop it up here so we can see the display a little bit better. And there are magnifying lenses in here so you can actually see the 7-segment LEDs just a little bit better. Alright, so if you wanted to do something like 15 times 45 and then hit equals, there's no RP in here, it is an algebraic calculator, you get 675. If I wanted to store this into memory, then I'll go ahead and clear the memory. There's one memory register. Then I add that to memory, M+. And then if I enter in something like 25, and then want to subtract that from my memory register, M-, and then if I use MR to recall it, we'll see that the memory register now holds 650. And then let's say I want to add in 50 to my memory register, M+, and now if I recall my memory register, I've got 700 in there. And then memory clear, let's recall, and we've got 0 in our memory register. Percentages, so if we wanted to do something like 20 plus 6% equals, and we got 21.2. And similar, 20 minus 6% equals 18.8. This is for clearing your display, and then CS is for change sign. So enter 45, and let's just change the sign, and we have negative 45. And add that to 15, we have negative 30. So that's the basics of this calculator. There's not much else to talk about. It does chew through batteries fast, so that's just an interesting piece of old technology.